Hello and welcome to another update on SUI. We want to take a look at the bullish and bearish scenarios for SUI. So we'll take a look at the structures here on the daily time frame, and then also take a look at the shorter time frame. I think it's important to recognize and to understand that here the price is currently holding still above the April low, at least according to the Coinbase chart. That low is at $1.71. The price did break below the June low. That's true. I mean, we had before here a possible 1-2-1-2 setup on the chart. This 1-2-1-2 setup is usually one of the most, it was bullish. 1-2-1-2 setups are among the most bullish ones in Elliott wave, but only if they don't invalidate. If it's invalidated, then it can morph back into a broader 1-2 structure, as this has done, obviously. Yeah. Which means the idea is that this here was just a B wave rally, where the price topped around 444 in this B wave, and we're now in a decline. And the problem is, we don't really have very clear data from the last lows, and the reason is that obviously SUI on the Binance chart has broken down completely to 55 cents and then recovered. Obviously, we don't see that here on the Coinbase chart, but I have added a note, and on the Binance chart, you see that. This is the old chart I was tracking, but I'm not using it anymore because I do find that extremely, it's just an exchange glitch. Yeah, it's just not, it just looks like a completely damaged order book. Completely broken. They even refunded people, right, for this mess. So I'm not sure, but it's still, I can't fully ignore it, right? I can't fully ignore it. We need to approach this chart now with caution. So that's why I said, look, we do add this note to the chart. I think it's now important to understand that as long as the price doesn't really give us a clear impulse to the upside, the risk for further downside remains very high, which means the key level that I'm watching is here on the daily chart, the $1.70 level. A break below, it might open the door again to a test of the October low on the Binance chart, 55 cent area. But let's first see if we can hold 170. Below that level, there's literally nothing bullish left, because for now I can still defend this as a 1-2 setup, but without any clear local setup to support it. Because what we now want to see on the smaller time frame is actually some upside momentum, right? So I haven't given up on the bullish potential here, but I approach it with a lot of caution. Technically even, we have a micro support area here on the Coinbase chart between 222 and 242. This is really a micro support area, which, as long as it's holding, can still allow the price to climb higher, obviously. It's a zone to watch, 222 to 242, but only as long as we're holding it. This 1-2 setup I have here on the local level is valid, but I haven't seen any impulsive upside. So no resistance has been taken out. So we're basically just ranging, we're moving sideways, and I think caution is just still recommended. So what I said to you over the last few days is that we need to break at the very least above this swing high from Tuesday, Monday, Sunday at around 267 as an early indication that a low of sorts has formed, even just a local low. Okay, we haven't even achieved that. So when we then break above that level, then the next focus is on $3.02 and $3.50. Now, at the moment, while I record this video, upside momentum remains weak. We have hit a small micro support region here between 235 and 241, but there's absolutely no evidence that the bulls are taking the lead here. This can change when momentum returns. We can break through these resistances in one day, right? But it's just not there yet, and so this remains an area to watch. But then when things heat up, it can happen very quickly. So I think be ready. If we break below 222, then the $1.70 level comes into focus in potentially a broader wave too, but then the risk for invalidation is high. So the 222 level is currently keeping us safe. I'll keep you updated about it. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And I know the crypto sector is a bit boring at the moment. I think many of you don't know that we even have a channel where we cover gold, silver, platinum even sometimes Tesla, other stocks. It's the MCO Global Equities channel here, and commodities. So feel free to follow us there as well. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. this is also the channel where I cover sometimes uranium. Yeah, I just noticed over the last few days and weeks, I got emails, messages on X where people ask me, "Can you also cover gold?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm doing that every day since 2022, actually." But yeah, I don't promote it much, so it's kind of just growing organically. But if you want to be part of the club over there, feel free to follow. I put the link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye bye.